So our topic is all about telephone and business session routine. And by the end of this module, we will learn how to enumerate the different points to close a sale and apply theories learned in a practice activity.
According to Indira Gandhi, there are two kinds of people, those who do the work and those who take the credit. Try to be in the first group, there is less competition there.
But before we move to the further informations, let us first know what is sales call. Sales call is usually a prearranged meeting between a salesperson and a customer or prospect for the purpose of generating sales. Another information about sales call is it is a phone or video conversation initiated by a salesperson with a potential customer or an existing client with the primary aim of promoting a product or service, building a relationship, or closing a deal. It is also a key part of the sales process and can involve discussing customer needs, explaining product benefits, handling objections, and negotiating terms.
Commodity buyer ay tumutukoy sa isang tao o isang kumpanya na bumibili ng raw materials o mga agricultural product like bigas, mais, kape. Therefore, commodity buyer ay responsible sa pag-secure ng mga supply para sa mga produkto na mai-manufacture o ma-resale. Halimbawa nito is yung kapag ang isang tao o isang commodity buyer ay bumili ng mais sa mga magsasaka para ibenta sa mas malaking merkado o markets para sila yung mas kikita.
The product buyer. Their need is clearly defined. Their sense of urgency is short-term that needs immediate attention. Finances are readily available. The product buyer is a customer whose need for a product is clearly defined, meaning they know exactly what they want. They have a short-term sense of urgency, so they require the product immediately. Additionally, their finances are readily available, which means they are ready and able to make the purchase without hesitation. This type of buyer is focused on quickly resolving a need or fulfilling a requirement, often driven by a specific problem of or situation that needs immediate attention.
The solution buyer. The solution buyer, they want the absolute best and their focus is the seller's core competencies. Sa madaling salita, ang isang solution buyer ay isang customer na naghahanap ng isang solution sa isang problema, hindi lang sa isang produkto. Gusto nilang malaman kung paano malulutas ng isang produkto o serbisyo ang kanilang problema at kung ano ang magiging epekto nito sa kanilang negosyo.
Tips on how to close sale. Number 1. Create a need by asking question. Tanungin ang customer para malaman ang kanilang mga pangangailangan at may pakita kung paano makakatulong ang produkto. Number 2. Focus on the benefits more than the feature. Ipaliwanag kung paano makikinabang ang customer sa produkto kaysa kung ano ito. Number 3. Stay with the client in the present. Mag-focus sa kasalukuyang sitwasyon ng customer, mga problema na dapat lutasin. Number 4. Believe and empathize the prospect pressing concern. Ipakita ang tunay na malasakit sa mga pangangailangan ng kliyente upang bumuo ng tiwala. Partner with your customer. Ituring ang bawat kliyente bilang katuwang sa tagumpay, hindi lamang bilang isang pagbebentahan.